So I just got this in today, and I've already got it pretty much set up. And I took this out of the box, put it in there, and look, it is loose. The screws that they put in here didn't even go all the way down into the fan part. So this is loose, so whenever I plug it in, it makes a lot of noise. And look, it moves whenever you turn it over. It's not even, look at this. It's not even connected from the screws to the bottom. This makes me mad. You spend a lot of money on these things and expect them to work, and nothing. I would turn it on, but I'm scared to death that I'll ruin it even more. But you can tell that this is loose. This is loose. You can tell. Look at that. The screws are right there. I don't know if you can see them or not. The screws are right there. And they don't even reach down all the way. They don't even reach down. There's the screws. And they don't even reach down all the way to the fan part. So, my recommendation to you guys, don't buy one of these. They are cheaply made anymore.